a model that just looks like a bulldog, that just screams raw energy. Introducing to you the Curtis P-6 Hawk from WAC. Well, here it is. WAC. This is the Curtis P-6E Hawk from the 17th Pursuit Squadron, known as the Snow Owls. It is from 2007, and I like the sheen, I like the cover. This is out of focus, give me a second, and there you go. Nice artwork, really loving it. Of course, you see the scale is 133. The booklet is not that thick, but it's nice. It's solid and sturdy booklet. You can see that the instruction is in Polish, given the history, the technical detail. And here we have the instructions, starting with the wing center. You see the cowling, you see the canopy. I like the wheel spats. Those are like the signature of the Hawk. The underpan belly. Nice build up. I saw a brief history of this particular model and how it came to be preserved in a museum. It's really sturdy and beautiful. Look at this, nice artwork. Quite like it. I like the intricacy of it, and it is accurate. It is fairly accurate. And here, they're generous enough to give you two because people like me will always make mistakes. They have simplified it, and it's from 2007. See, they simplified the cockpit, the canopy, glass here. You see the instrument panel, look at that. Nice detail. It's not bad. That's not bad. And we see the fin here. And of course, again, like I said, the paper seems to be 140, 150. And now we have the wing. And this part looks really, really awesome. I like the fact that they gave us swatches because, of course, we need to do a little filling here and there. So what I'm going to do is build this at 1/72 scale, then at 1/33 scale. There's a rudder. This, the elevator, stabilizer. This is nice. But the rudder, signature point too. And there's a fin. So just in case you're missing what each is, and it's a simple enough model. I like it. I quite like this. Of course, we have the upper wing. This is the lower wing. I love the fact that you can look on the artwork how they add the relief of it, like the rib showing through. It's nice. The print quality for 2007 is not bad at all. This is pretty neat. Again, it's 150-gram sheet. Look at this, the wheel spat, the wheel cowling. This, you see that they made two sets because I will mess up. They know me quite well. And here we have the blade, the prop blade. And what I'll do is once I build it, these blades I will then color. And here the underside, this is wheel pants, the landing gear pants. These are the wing struts. And then the formwork. Of course, these formwork now you glue onto cardstock and it make it work. It makes it happen. Nice. Looking at this build overall, it's one of the nicer builds. This, it looks like engine exhaust. I'm gonna have to look into it. And then you have the plan, the underside, you notice how they split it in half. And then we have the front view, profile view, and the parts which are listed individually. Nice thick sheet. And that's it. Pretty much a simple, straightforward model that's supposed to look really beautiful. I like the kits that are also available that's on the cover. So that's it for the walk. Curtis P-6E Hawk. I hope you like what you saw. This kit is available. I think it's under $6 US. Available at Orlik. You can go check them out. So until then, my friends, take care, walk good, and one love.